We're gonna change the radiator support now. You guys can see bumper is already installed, so it's coming out pretty nice. So the final step just to finish the bumper is put a few, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that goes on the inside part of the bumper. Then I gotta put the new emblem, and then we're gonna work the interior. After this, we're gonna start taking apart the seats, replacing the seats, then the inside of the car, and it's getting there, buddy. It's getting there, guys. Okay. Like I said, the lights, we were able to save it. Okay, guys, we just finished installing the bumper, so it's all lined up with the hood, all good. Alrighty. So now we're gonna go to the inside. We have these 2 seats here to replace the interior seats, and something that my wife is not gonna be too happy about it is I just found out that there's a crack on the dashboard. So we're gonna need to replace the dashboard. And so I wasn't counting on that, but we're gonna have to do it. I didn't notice that it was cracked, and it actually has a crack on top, guys. Right there, you can see the crack right there. So we need to replace the dashboard.